pretty cool.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time joining me, my name is Rosie, and if you're coming back here to watch another video, thank you so much for stopping back by. So guys, on today's video we are doing a Shein hair review something. Yeah, I'm using my friend camera guys. So it's a 12-inch 150 density and it's a 13 by 1 lace front. So it came in this box, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. So this is how it's packed or packaged inside. This is how it looks. So it comes with a wig cap. I'm not sure if it's one or two. Yeah, it's two. It comes with two wig caps, so two of them inside, and they're here. So let's open the hair. So it's just written teapot wig and size 12-inch. That's it. So here's the hair, guys. It's, I don't know if it's kinky curls or, but I'll put the picture from the app on how it's supposed to look. I'll put it somewhere here. And I just use this thing, and this is how the hair looks. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, look at it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't know what the light is doing to me right now. Yeah. Let me just get the camera down a bit. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So yeah, this is how the hair is. It's a 14-inch. So it smells like hair. That's all I can say. It smells like hair. So it has like, sorry, it has like baby hairs, as you can see, like on the image itself. It has like baby hairs. The lace looks bleached. I'm not sure. It's not white. It's whatever color. So this is how it is on the inside. And it has these things, and it has the clips. And so a 13 by 1, this is how a 13 by 1 is. Yeah, so all in all, the hair looks like amazing. It's so pretty. Like, look at the curls. It's so pretty. So I'm kind of happy with it, but I haven't installed it yet. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a separate video where I'm installing the hair, or I'm just gonna combine the two. I'm not sure, but yeah, the wig really looks pretty. So let me put it on to make it an installation video or whatever. So I'm gonna try and install my wig. It's my first time. I've tried it and it didn't come out well, so let's do it again on camera. If we fail, we fail, but at least we tried. So they say first, brush your hair back, right? And then I'm gonna grab my weight cap. I'm gonna put it on. Okay, that was my spray. Sorry. Yes. Not like this, I think it's too much. But yeah, okay. And then, oh, my scissors. Cut your ears out. Alright. This side as well. If I chop my ear, oh, hey. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think we got it. Okay. Perfect. I look funny. I put my glasses down because I won't be reading for a while. And then I need to spray. And then hit that. Spray the other side. Okay, I've tried, so now I'm gonna cut it off. I don't know if it's sticking or not, but I think it's dry. Let's try cutting it off. So I'm gonna be looking down because I have my mirror, right? I'm gonna be looking down.
Without you, I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
So I got the pins, right? That's what I was gonna get. I don't have any other pins except for these ones. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm gonna try pinning it. Okay. Guys, this is where the flop comes, right? I don't trust myself, so I'm gonna cut it while it's off my head. And I'm gonna put it back on because how am I supposed? I think I'm supposed to glue it on first before I do this, right? For you.
Crazy love and twisty love, yeah. Girls need love, so what's a girl to do? She needs love, some girls need love. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have it breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't buy. I can get it to you right, baby. I wanna be in your lane. I can be real good. We don't get these feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge.
A few moments later.
And I'm gonna cut the lace and then I'm gonna come back because this is not working. This is not working. Let me cut the lace.
One eternity later.
At this point in time, I am tired, I'm frustrated. I'm gonna try installing this hair one last time. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I've cut the lace. I don't care if I've cut it too short. I don't care if it's not gonna lace up. I definitely do not care what happens to the hair after this because I'm so mad. I am so mad. So I've cut the lace, right? So now I'm gonna install it this way. I'm gonna put it on my head, right? I can't see how it looks like. So I'm gonna put it on my head and then perfect, right? Okay, now I'm gonna spray on the inside. I'm not gonna spray outside, just gonna push it back a bit. Right, and then I'm gonna hair dry it. Don't judge me, I don't know how to and then I'm gonna pull this bitch. I'm gonna spray on the, like, next to the ear, and then I'm gonna come this side. I'm gonna do the same thing. Fine. I think here it's missing, right? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a comb. I think I'll work better with a comb. This is thing supposed to hurt. The sun is even going away. The sun is setting and I'm still there. Alright. This side. This side is real. So another problem is I have hair on my face, right? So yeah, it's so painful because the wig kind of like pulled my facial hairs and so I'm gonna put this elastic that I got from Shein. Got it for like 9 rand. I'm not sure because I don't remember how much this thing was. But it's like, I don't know why they do this, but I think it emphasizes the wig to be like super light. I think. So this is so cute because you just like not so tight. Just so I don't know if you do this before you do your edges, or you do this after you've done your edges. I'm just gonna keep it on for like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna take it out. I'm tired. I wanna be done with this hair. Literally. Okay, so like the sun is disappearing on me. So I did my face because I wanted to do this on the TikTok. So what's left is my lashes. I need to put on my lashes. But yeah, here's the hair, guys. I'm not gonna do edges because I suck at that. So I'm just adding mousse. Let's see. Any mousse, guys. I'm not gonna do edges. I don't know how to do edges, but I'm just gonna add mousse to the hair. So I sprayed it with with water and conditioner mixed together, and the curls just popped. Like, guys, this hair is the one. So maybe I'll try do edges some other time, but today we're not doing that because I suck at it and I suck big time. But So yeah guys, here's the look, here's the hair. I'll be back when I'm done editing my lashes to close off the video. So yes guys, we have come to the end of the video. I don't have lighting anymore because this took me forever to put on, but yeah, so far I really love the hair. It's giving, I don't know, jerry, water wave, curly, whatever, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, I'm gonna try turning around. What about it? Let me close the curtain. But yeah guys, this is the final look. So let me shoot my TikTok before the light goes away. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me struggle installing this hair. But all in all, I really love it. I'll give this hair 10 out of 10. So if you want it, you can go order it. It's from Shein and I got 12 inches. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next upload. I love you. Bye.